welcome back to my channel. In today's video I've decided to do eyebrow lamination. I've seen a lot of people trying this, and it's quite expensive to do in the salon or in the beauty shops. I decided to do my own at home. So I bought this kit from Amazon, and it's quite cheap. I got it for, I think it was £10. I'm not sure, but I'll leave the description. I'll leave the link on the description below. So I got this and I decided to try this. I haven't tried it yet. This is my first time, so I'm doing a video while trying it. I haven't tried it, so finger crossed it comes out nice. So let's begin. So this is the eyebrow lamination kit. Says starter kit. So see, that's how it looks like. So I got this from Amazon. So let's open it and see how it looks like. Comes like this. I think like a 4 steps, not 5. 5 steps, and that's the said is a eyebrow brush, and it comes with a cling film, and so I have to follow the instructions on how to apply this. So the first step is the cleanser. This is the cleanser. That's the first step. So I get it out. Get it out. I need to pack my hair. Turn back. Sorry, I need to pack my hair. Okay. Because it comes like this, so tiny. So I think the cleanser is for cleaning the excess oil or dirt on the eyebrow. So I'm using the cotton board and then wipe. So the next step is the lift glue. So and then I'll be applying this one. Then I get my brush, brush. Look at how it's looking right now. Okay. All right. Okay. So what I've been needing next is, so I'm going to be covering it with the cling film for 10 minutes. So covering for 10 minutes, 10 minutes, 10 minutes. I'll leave it and have 10 minutes. Okay, so I'm going to put my timer on. I'm going to start this for 10 minutes. Okay, so it's 10 minutes now, so I need to take it out. Okay, fine. Then the next step is number 2. That's the perm lotion. I need to get my cutting board and apply the perm lotion. Okay, that's it. And then we'll cover again with cling film for another 10 minutes. Okay, and then apply leave for another 10 minutes. And again, so it's time to take it off. Then I apply the fixation. That's number 3, the fixation. So I applied that. Applied that. Cover again with cling film. So much work, right? Okay, 10 minutes gone. So I get the cleanser to clean up the extra. I clean up the extra. Or what? Okay, now the other one the same. Wow, this really makes my eyebrows soft. It's actually soft. Like, look at that. Like, let me show you guys what I'm doing. Right. It's really palmed, right? Wow. Wow. Okay. 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 Eyebrow is looking nice right now. I hope it doesn't fall off. Number step 4, nutritioner. I don't know how that is. Then I applied that. I'll put that one in there. Okay. Oh wow guys, so they said the last step is to cover it again with cling film for 10 minutes. Ooh. So 10 minutes later, oof, oof, ooh. This is actually amazing, right? Amazing. This is amazing. So I'm gonna get out the extra hairs. I do not need. Okay. Okay, that one the other way. Oh my god guys, like this is amazing. I can't believe how this came up. Actually, you can see how my eyebrow was before, and this is it now. Planning to go and spend a lot of money. They quoted for me when I went to the beauty shop. They quote this for me about £80. I'm like, whoa. So when I came across this kit, I could not believe this will actually come out this way. This is amazing guys. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that guys. Beautiful guys. This is so amazing. So amazing. So I'm just gonna trim out some excess hair with tweezer, and then that is it. I think I actually like it like this. Oh wow guys, this is amazing. Yeah, amazing guys. So thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel, and please guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my video, subscribe guys, subscribe, and hit the notification bell guys, hit the notification bell, and it will actually tell you when I upload a video. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.